In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset MT5 demo account balance. So what you want to do is inside here, once you're inside MetaTrader 5, you want to go to File, top left, and click on Open an Account. Now, we're doing this because unfortunately, you can't simply top up and reset demo account balance. You'll have to create a new demo account to get your balance back, okay? So this is how this works. Unfortunately, there's no other way. In here, under list of companies, make sure you find MetaQuotes Ltd and then click on Next. And then from here, click on Open a demo account to trade virtual money without risk. Then you want to click on Next, and on the next step, you'll have to put in some of your personal details, and then your email, your phone number, and after that, you'll be able to just select how much you would like to have on your demo account. Then you'll be able to confirm it, and your account will be created. So basically, you've just topped up your account balance that way. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.